Ndewonu. Achọrọ m ikwu okwu maka kọt a ga-ata gbasara Nnamdi Kanu. Kamgbe ka m na-aṅa ntị ka m nụ na ahapụgo ya si ya naba, mana ihe m na-anụzi abụ ihe m chọburu ịnụ. Mgbe m nụrụ na ebidokwara keesi a n'isi, keesi ewinụrụ na Court of Appeal, apụtara m kwuo okwu telee ebumnobi eji ebido ha keesi ewinụrụ na Court of Appeal n'isi. Ma na-eche na enwere nkata akpara kamgbe m emechi ọnụ sị ka m nụkena asị n'oke submission kama echere m na ọ ga-eruwe nke ikwue n'oke submission, because n'oge nke m agwara m gwa my lawyers na ka a ga-esi ahapụ m na a ga-aga na court si na maka na mama nwụọ na ka m gaa lie ya. Echere m ụdị understanding enwere with Nnamdi Kanu before ebido ha keesi ewinụrụ na Court of Appeal ebidokwa n'isi. So enweghị understanding na enwere ebidokwa keesi n'isi. Who does that? Who does that? I mean, it's laughable. It's incredible. Case he win in a Court of Appeal. Fine, ha gara Supreme Court. Sina ha kwero. Fine, he can go to agree. You obey the Court of Appeal first. Ha chupano. Lawyer told them na lano lawyer. Had one Nnamdi Kanu na detention. The whole world will hear it. Sina Court of Appeal. If you go mad, see happen. Para government mba. The embarrassment is on them. The joke is on them. Mgbe all over the world na akpọ ha n'ọnụ. They will be forced to release him. Ha nụsịrị wo ebidokwala case dị issue. A na-echenu na enwere maybe of the modality a chọrọ use. Were hapụ ya. Amadụ m na-enwe nkata akpara o. Just roll. Hey God, now what for you people? Now what for you people? I mean, just a bit of a case as in what? Now get one understanding. Get the understanding. Oil first terrorism. This is political issue. It has nothing to do with the judiciary. The judiciary is a part of government. It's an arm of the executive. The 1999 Constitution as amended, whatever it is a rubbish constitution. It made the judiciary an arm of the government as long as it is the president that appoints the Chief Justice of Nigeria. Judiciary is an arm of the government. It's just like when you say Independent Electoral Commission. Which independence? When the president appoints the chairman of the Electoral Commission. The Electoral Commission is an arm of the executive. Then, you are being accused of terrorism. God helped you, did miracle for you. Court of Appeal, acquire the case. Nga ki ga-ejidaka. A na-ekwu so on Aburi we stand. Release him first. And the judges, lawyers, the defense lawyers, I don't want to allow. So, no, God bless you. But how do they care for her? The mother got no man, Nigeria, man outside Nigeria. How could they know? Half the hour. Only got because they can you make expect before? Huh? The Court of Appeal judges government barahampa transfer all of them out of Abuja. And when I know bara is with temper. So in ha ga-eme ka unu ghọta na ha chọrọ convict Nnamdi Kanu. Anu na-enwe ọdụ chi a na-egburu ijiji. That verdict by the Court of Appeal chi a gburu ijiji. since bidoro nke ikpeazụ m na-eche ma enwere ihe unu na ha kpara. Hey, anụ asị anụ na-achọ ngwere ogbugbu ọ ngwere kwete na anụ ha ga-egbu ya, anụ egbuo ya, ma ngwere kwete ga ma gbu ya. At that level, my own opponent, my high court, my court of appeal, I lost the cases. Nke a bụ na o win na court of appeal. I will just a modality ngwa ga ka attract this case. A man enweghị understand no reach, no san. This added 200 sans. But ya now. Nonsense. When Ejiofor and Ejimako were handling this case after the Court of Appeal verdict, I was like, man, that's how to do it. Obey the Court of Appeal. And if you obey the Court of Appeal, Eshimaka potasi san nelu san nala. A chairman will understand it. Now, politically motivated case as treason or terrorism. Court, when you have seen it, now in short, no, a very bad case. Bad in the sense that the federal government is interested in nailing the person. You played into their hands. Their own court of appeal, God led them to give verdict in your favor. They did. You would have heard on it. Uwazuruike. And if you so obey their court. What in the Ghana now? Unoga. It's funny. I didn't believe it until this afternoon. I said, you have a case to answer. Open your defense. Open your defense now. You go and win. I'm so angry. It's very, very unfortunate. Let go no have photoga. Let have photoga come on takere. Origin do the guy na to card. You wouldn't kill you. Yeah? What can you expect? Without discussion, can you expect a case, Court of Appeal, threw away in his favor? When the government refused vehemently, it would have refused also to continue with the matter. Without understanding that now, can you get people there? What is the meaning of all this? Shine as senior advocates. Yeah, people now marrow. In my own case, Festus Keyamo. Festus Keyamo then wasn't a son. Festus Keyamo wasn't a son when he delivered my case, delivered me. I'm really not happy. I fought Ogare. And I say, and one you born a poop. Oh, put a moku. Call on you. And one has a stronger voice than me. Because there is no way you can be little by voice. Ekwoku Biafra, you has in a Uwazuruike voice. Abani Boland, you has in a Uwazuruike voice. Against all the risk needing first, after Ekwoku. And then when you are judge, Chapota, who never has her own. As I'm Madatana, and we understand the name. I can't make a latch back to square one again. I go on a high court. Court of appeal. Yeah, judgment. I'll go to Uwa. Or favor Nnamdi Kanu. Oh, by the same court of appeal Kunugada. Oh, one of favor government. Oh, by the same court of appeal Kunugada. Like the same court of appeal Lucina, Hakuya. Kunu Toyana Mini, 3 more here. bilokwa n'ishi ke osore n'ụnụ nwa ihe osore n'ụnụ nwa ihe It's so embarrassing, so embarrassing. This embarrassment gone on the part of government, and on their own part. That open defense, defense in open. They have made up their mind to convict him. That's all. God saved him with the court of appeal, but you people trashed it. You people misused the opportunity. Get the type of advice you need as lawyers. It's unbelievable. Ndigbo na-apụtakwana ha na-aṅụ na-azụzugharị. Hem na Juno bụ ọ bụ na ịgba mbọ nwere onwe ihe ọjọọ. Unu ga-aga ngwa Britain ka ha bịa chịwakwa Nigeria again. Na Nigeria win independence state today, maka na some people fought for it. Nigeria win independence. Ọ na-esi na ndị na-ekwu okwu Biafra ụmụ anụ ọhịa wụ nke a wụ nke ọzọ. Unu kpaghachiri Britain. Mgbe Britain na-achị Nigeria, Nigeria ọ dị better than now. Go and call back Britain now to come and recolonize Nigeria. So at least there will be peace. Ama m ihe na-enye unu nsogbu, ọ kawo dice ka ọ ama m ihe na-enye unu nsogbu ndị Igbo. Ka kwuru mgbe ụlọ si na m sịrị n'ụwa amadụ m ya n'ụlọ si na m si. He kwuru mgbe a na Igbo politicians the most useless people ever in the whole world. He kwuru me that time. Na the most foolish. He kwuru Igbo politicians ekwughị m ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo adịrọ foolish. Ndị dị foolish were Igbo politicians. So he kwuru. And I still maintain it. Now Igbo politicians are the most foolish people in the whole world. And I still maintain it. Maka problem niile with the Igbo politicians. Am I not to anything? No. Opa, ha cause all the problems. How I wish that people will understand. Hey, what is their business? What is their concern? This is a boy that insulted you. That is a boy that took over your platform. This is a boy. Forgetting no Oklahoma. Man, instigate everything. I'm not like your people. I'm a different person. Very different. Onye Wona na-ekwu okwu Biafra is my person. Is my brother. Because I believe in it. I believe in Biafra. Through non-violence, anyway. Biafra through non-violence. I believe in it. So onye ọbụla na-ekwu okwu ya ọ bụrụ na ịpụta mee mistake abara gị mba ịpụta echi iwere ka m onwe gị advice because I believe that Nnamdi Kanu pụta echi ọwụzi mmadụ ga-agwa ya line ọ ga-agwa ọ ga-ama mistake so make he will correct himself. No one is infallible. If he comes out today, he will correct himself. He knows the areas he flawed. He knows the areas he couldn't do well. That's why I want him out, so that he will correct himself. If I was taking the wrong way, he will correct himself. Because that was why I started Biafra by non-violence. So if along the line you were deceived or you were cajoled into achieving it through another means, senses will come into you. Then you will correct yourself. That's what I believe. And I know if he's released today, he will correct himself. I don't know. Well, I said I should say this. Because when I heard that the case started de novo, started afresh, I was like, okay, maybe that's the method they want to use. But seeing that there was no discussion is unbelievable. It just, I don't know. I don't know. I never believed that a day like this will come when the court will come back to say you have to open your defense for a case the Court of Appeal had discharged. I don't know. That's exactly what I really want to say now, because I never planned for this video, because I was like, today, okay, fine, we should. Even if they didn't release him, they would have asked him to go to the hospital to take care of himself. That's, at least, that would have been a step in the right direction. I never expected a situation where things like this would arise. It's unbelievable. I never expected this. That's the much I can say for now.